Hello everyone. Today I will explain on how to set up the humidity and temperature sensor known as DHT11 on the Raspberry Pi. Before we start, I will explain a little bit about what IoT is. IoT stands for Internet of Things. It is where equipment, machines, sensor, and device are connected to the internet and the collection and transfer of data over the network takes place. In the field of agriculture, there are many systems that are run conventionally. Almost all agriculture activities are carried out manually and require a lot of manpower. This kind of method takes a long time to complete. For example, plants need to be watered according to the appropriate amount of water based on the current weather conditions. If the weather at the time is very hot, the amount of water must be increased and vice versa. Therefore, this will add to the farmer's workload if it is done manually. Hence, to help solve the following problem, let's learn how to set up a DHT11 humidity and temperature sensors on a Raspberry Pi. First, I will explain the hardware part. Then I will show you how to use it in a program written in Python. Several components are needed such as Raspberry Pi, DHT11 sensor, a relay module, a fan, and a power supply unit. Let us start by connecting the DHT11 to the Raspberry Pi using rainbow cables so that we can view the output of temperature and humidity from the shell. First, connect the VCC pin of the DHT11 to the 5V pin of the Raspberry Pi. Next, connect the GND pin of the DHT11 to the ground pin. Then, connect the output pin of the DHT11 to the GPI04 pin. Let us continue by connecting the relay module to the Raspberry Pi. Now, connect the VCC pin of the relay module to the 5V pin. Next, connect the GND pin of the relay module to the ground pin. Then, connect the input pin of the relay module to the GPI021 pin. Now let us connect the relay module to the power supply and the fan. First, connect the positive pole of the power supply to the common port in the relay module. Next, connect the positive pole of the fan to the normally open or NO port in the relay module. Then connect the negative terminal of the fan to the negative terminal of the power supply unit. So now we can move on to the software part. First, download the DHT library via the terminal. Then extract and install the library via the terminal. Run Tony Python IDE to develop commands in the Python language. Save the script and run. The values of temperature and humidity should be displayed in the shell windows. When the temperature reaches 29 degrees, the fan turns on. And when the temperature drops to 28 degrees, the fan turns off automatically. As a conclusion, by using the sensors set above, all temperature control and plant watering can be done automatically without the need of human efforts. Thank you for your attention and good luck!